Welcome to Easy Digital Filing. In this video we're going to show you how to create micro company accounts which are IXBRL tagged and can be used to accompany a CT600 Corporation Tax return or to file to Company's House. If you have created an account, you will, from your QUICKSTART menu, be able to create a CT600 filing or a Company's House filing which will include the micro accounts. If not, and you wish to create new company accounts, go to the New Filing button. In the Filing selector, select Micro Entity Company IXBRL Accounts and click Create. Once you've done so, the accounts will appear on your blotter and you can open them from clicking on them. The company accounts for the micro entity comprise of four sections: the company information, the income statement, the balance sheet and the balance sheet notes. Please note that if you are filing only to Company's House, you do not need an income statement, and you can suppress or turn off this section here. In this video, however, we are creating company accounts that would be used for a CT600 filing, so we will include the income statement. In the company information page, check the company name, company registration number, the accounting period start and end dates, or the date or the period you're reporting for. If you have a previous financial year, in so much this is not your first year, you can set or copy down the dates here. If you're filing for a company in its first year, please enter the date of incorporation and leave the previous financial year start and end dates blank. Check or review the directors that served during the period of the return. If you need to add or remove directors, you do so here and here. Enter the number of employees, or the average number of employees that were employed during the period. Once doing so, your errors will be reduced, as you can see in your errors tray. Once you're happy with your company information, move on to the income statement. For the benefits of keeping this video as short as possible, I've pre-populated this with some representative figures. The income statement has a number of sections. In the income section, it includes the turnover, which is sales, other income, other interest income, cost of sales, staff costs, business premises costs, professional costs, other expenses, taxation, and your overall net profit. Please note that if you're using some bookkeeping packages, not all of the items will align. If you can't find specific items, then use other in each of the headings. Once you've completed your income statement and you're happy, move to the balance sheet. Again, for the interests of keeping this video as short as possible, we have pre-populated with representative data. If you're unsure about any aspects of the balance sheet, there is context-sensitive help at each of the points, which you can read. We also have knowledge base articles on how to create a balance sheet. The most important thing of a balance sheet is that the net assets always equals the capital and reserves. An error will be displayed until the figures both balance. Once you've completed your balance sheet and you're happy with the figures, move on to the balance sheet notes. Note that the errors will display where you need still to fill in items. Clicking on them will move to the field you need to. In this one, the principal activity of the company. And then enter the person signing or approving the accounts on behalf of the board and the date that they are approving. Note that once you've completed and removed all of the errors, the error tray will show either 0 errors, and if there's no warnings, it will be removed. If you aren't producing an income statement, then there will be warnings here, but you can accept or ignore them once you're set ready to file. Once you've completed the accounts, you can review the filing or the accounts here. Once you're happy that they're correct, you can also view the IXBRL tags, which will be tagged against the various taxonomy for micro accounts. Once you've done so, you can download and print for your records. Your micro accounts are now ready for filing either to Companies House or the corporation tax return, which we'll cover in the next video. Thank you for watching.